Hi everyone. Well, today I'm gonna do another unboxing, and this is gonna be from Babylist. So Babylist, what it is it's a website where you can have your registry. You can make your own baby registry. But the cool thing about this website is that you can link Amazon and you can link other stores like Etsy products. So it's not just what the website is providing to you, but you can actually link other things that you really want for your baby. Can be for your baby's room, clothing, I mean, you name it. So it's pretty cool. I actually found it, and I thought it was a great idea, whoever came with this. But today I'm going to show you what the baby welcome box. So what the baby welcome box is as soon as you create your registry, you can ask for a new welcome baby box. You do have to pay $6.99 for shipping, which is not bad. Let's see what is inside and see if it's worth it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I like the bright colors. All right, so as soon as we open this box, it says that today you got your baby list, and it just gives you a little bit about your registry, and pretty cool. Next one is gonna be a magazine. So you get a magazine, and what this magazine has is just products that you can add to your registry, and it has from diapers, breast pumps, all kinds of things. So which is kind of cool because it gives you an idea of what to order. A lot of moms have like no clue what to order, or they're not sure what to get or compare the products. So this is actually a pretty good idea to have a magazine just to give us that reminder, like don't forget to order this or don't forget to order that, and that's pretty cool. It also comes with a newborn bottle. I like to breastfeed my kids. Usually I breastfeed for 2 years, but I like to have bottles on hand because usually the first 2 days it can be a little challenge for a lot of moms. The baby might not latch, or things happen. I had a baby at the hospital for a week, and then we had to do bottle feed, but it's kind of cool to have a bottle, and that way you if you do need it, it's available for you. So this one is Inflow. It's a balance, so it's actually like a new type of bottle. I've never seen it before, and it's supposed to be similar to a breast, so very nice. This one's, I think they run like around $3 to $4, so there's already all those $6 shipping that you are supposed to pay for this box. And then we also get a Hamper Bag. What I like about this bag is that I can actually put my bathroom stuff and put this stuff in my hospital bag or my makeup, so that's kind of cool. Let's see what I have there. Here we have a diaper, size 1. Also comes with some baby wipes. I believe there's only 6 in there, but it's not bad to have those in the car or to have those in the diaper bag. Also baby the laundry detergent, so just an example, just to try it out, and some information about the products and some coupons. So this is very nice. Also a package of the water wipes. I heard a lot of things about this water wipes. I believe a lot of kids have like sensitive skin, and this one, because it's 99.9 water, for sure you will not have any problems with sensitivity of your kids' skin. And there's also a toy. Actually, it's a teething toy. This is very nice. This is for 3 months and on. I like the colors, and the product too. It's very sturdy. Oh, and it comes with a coupon, so if you want to buy more of their products, which they have diaper bags, they have bouncies, great option and great opportunity to be able to save money when you want to order something else from their store. Oh, this one's fun. This is also for mama. Those are socks, and those are perfect for the hospital. So if you just want to add those into your hospital bag, perfect. You don't get to use those ugly ones from the hospital. They're comfy, they're okay. But there's also a pacifier, And the good thing about this pacifier, actually this bag says that you can put this pacifier in the microwave and sterilize it, and you can do it up to 5 times. That's very neat. There's a pacifier. Oh, and there's a 3-month cutters onesie, brand new. It's just white. And then there's also body wash and lotion examples. This one is nice. As you know, babies have accidents or have a poopy diaper, and it's nice to have those small little bags, because then you can just add the diaper there and have a knot, and you will not have the stinky smell in your car or in your diaper bag. That is so nice. I'm not sure how many they come in here. Great gift. And there's a little bit more information about if you are interested to have a breastfeeding lotion or a what is it called? Yeah, it is. It's a cream for lactation. So when you're breastfeeding, you know, you get a little sore the first 3 days, 4 days. So that's nice to have that. Last and not least, we get to have some examples of nursing pads, so 2 of them, and 2 of breast milk storage bags. And that's what it's in our package. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, just let me know. Talk to you soon. And just write me comments if you have any questions about where to go for this Babylist website. Well, you get just a couple more things that I found actually here in the back. It's just a little bit more advertisement of different products that you can add in your list. All right, thank you. See you soon. Hope you like this video. Bye.